How to get ExpressVPN 30 days free trial. Hello everyone, welcome to our channel. Let's see how we can do it. For this, just simply open up ExpressVPN by searching it up on your browser. If you're on mobile device, then just simply open up your Play Store or App Store and download it. When you download it and install it on your device, you would be able to sign up for an subscription that can last free up to 30 days. If you don't want to give out your credit card details or any other detail, then you can get it for free for up to 7 days. But if you want it to be free for 30 days, then you would have to get a plan and subscribe for that particular plan. After that, if you didn't like it, you can cancel it quite easily. Contact the support, tell them that you want the refund, and they will refund your money as soon as you tell them that you want to cancel your subscription. So this is how you can get it for 30 days free, and this is how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. Make sure to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos.